Hello, I'm Chinmay Acharya, 04 batch mechanical engineering student from GCET. Within very few years after GCET was established, it had created a very good reputation for itself of having a very updated curriculum, some really skilled professors, and some really excellent infrastructure. So that was the reason why I chose GCET to pursue my mechanical engineering. The mechanical engineering workshop was fantastic in the sense that it had some really basic machine tools for students to understand the basics of mechanical engineering and had some advanced tools like the EDM machine. I was fortunate to do some of my experiments on EDM machine on the parameters that affect the machine and the performance of the machine, and I could present my findings in some of the national events thanks to the workshop staff and the workshop in charge and the mechanical engineering faculty in GSET. During the final year, those of you who believe that they want to take up projects as an elective, so that's the time when you get to have a personal dialogue with some of the faculty members of your choice, and you really understand through the projects how the industries really work. The faculties have very good relations with the industry as well, so that's a very good opportunity for a lot of young students to take a next step in their life of being a mechanical engineer and understand how industry behaves. All in all, I think the major takeaway that I have from GSET is the faculty members always insist on students to ask questions as to why certain things work the way they do and why they don't work the way they don't. Basically, questioning the very basics of the functioning of varieties of equipment, which I think lays a very nice foundation for engineers, because if you can answer the basics, it solves 90% of your problems. So I think I've molded myself pretty well because of the education I took at GSET, thanks to the faculty and the machines and the labs that were well updated, and all of the machines working all the time. Besides, the HODs and the principal at various points in time encourage students to uh, participate in events within and outside GSET at the regional and national level to expose them to the uh, competition that exists, to expose them to uh, varieties of developments that happen in the real world. So it was a fantastic time I had at GSET, and that's one of the best 4 years of my life that I've spent ever. So thanks to GSET and all the stuff.